how many years of total experience do you have?
I have around something 6 years experience.
6 years as a housekeeping.
No, last job is assistant housekeeping manager.
Assistant
Housekeeping manager.
housekeeping manager. Okay. So are you multitasking?
Yeah.
Okay. So what was your jobs and responsibilities in your last company?
As an assistant housekeeping manager, my job role is I have to come at 9 o'clock and I have to take up the meeting with the GM, all the complaints and all the supplies what we need for that the future, and what all the things we are doing in the food, like what type of high cleaning, what type of thorough cleaning we are doing in the daily basis or a monthly basis. We are making the report about
So
it.
you check the inventory also?
Yeah.
How do you check the inventory?
Inventory, we have a format like we make a format like and we are given to the supervisor, like in that we written all this, like what all amenities, what all supplies we are putting in the room, like bed sheets.
Tell me the mode of the inventory. How do you take the inventory? It's physical. Or
Yeah, it's a physical.
Okay. So you think it's a easy task physically taking the inventory?
It's very difficult also, it's very easy also, because if we are not doing the physically inventory, so we don't know the but all the things we have more, and but all the things we have to order in the future basis.
What if a customer is very angry with you on something, or any point,
Yeah.
is not satisfied with you? At that point of time, what do you do to satisfy him?
Actually, I just share you the one incident happened in the Dubai, when I was in Dubai. So what happened at the time, I am the GSA room attendant. So my colleague make a room of one of the customer, and at the time when they making the room, there is some dollars also there in the rooms. So when they removing all the bed sheets and all these things, so that money is thrown somewhere else. So the guest is very angry and guest is shouting, so guest is calling to police. So at the time they called me and I directly go to that customer, and I told to my friend to check all the things in the proper way, and I also informed to the security for that security reasons. So at that time I put I remove all the bed sheet, all the duvets and under the bed and all these things, and at the end of the time I found that money from under the bed.
Okay. So we are hiring for the position of housekeeper.
Yes.
$500 will be your salary.
500.
She must have informed you there. How much she informed you there?
Nothing.
Nothing?